Welcome back. Let's do question 4b. The sum of the first n terms of a geometric series is given by Sn is equal to 8 minus 2 to the power 3 minus n. Remember that Tn is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Remember that. Can I explain this? Let's say we have T1, T2, T3, and then let's say we have 2, 5, 8. Remember T1 and S1 is just the same thing. Then S2 is going to be T1 plus T2, which is 7. And then S3 is going to be 7 plus 8, which is 15. Let's say we want to find term 3. If we want to find term 3, we can say S3 minus S2. If you say 15 minus 7, we get 8. Right? To get S3, we add term 3 to S2. To get S3, the sum of the first 3 terms, we add term number 3 to the sum of the first 2 terms. So now, when we use this formula, we can easily get what? Our Tn. So now, it means term number 9 is going to be sum of the first 9 terms minus sum of the first 8 terms. S8 is equal to 8 minus 2 to the power 3 minus 8, which is equal to 7 and 31 over 32. Alright, and then S9 is equal to 8 minus 2 power 3 minus 9, which is equal to 7 and 63 over 64. And T9 is equal to S9, which is 7, 63 over 64 minus 7, 31 over 32, and then we get 1 over 64. So T9 is equal to 1 over 64. The other thing we can do, we know that S1 is equal to T1, so which is equal to 8 minus 2 to the power 3 minus 1, which is equal to 8 minus 4, which is 4. Sum of the first 2 terms is equal to T1 plus T2. S2 is equal to what? Is equal to 8 minus 2 to the power 3 minus 2, which is equal to 6. So now, we are saying that S2 is equal to T1 plus T2. So it means what? It means that T2, S2 minus T1 is equal to T2. S2 is 6, T1 is 4. So it means 6 minus 4 is equal to T2. Therefore, T2 is equal to 2. T1 is equal to 4. T2 is equal to 2. So it means R is equal to T2 divided by T1. So now this 2 over 4, which is equal to 1 over 2. So now we can find T9. A is 4, and then 1 over 2 to the power n minus 1 is going to be 9 minus 1, which is 8. And then the answer there is going to be 1 over 64. So T9 is 1 over 64.